talk clutches. And more specifically, let's talk how you know if your clutch is going bad. If it's going sour, maybe if you're even looking to buy yourself a manual and you want to make sure that previous person did not use it as a training toy. So there's going to be a few indicators. The one that I experienced myself personally was the clutch starting to slip into highest gear, and that car was 5th gear. And when I would engage 5th gear and give gas, the RPMs would still be up, clutch would be fully out, meaning I should feel all that power, and I wasn't feeling that power. Another sign, if you're going to press the clutch and it feels like it's having difficulty. You press it in, it feels spongy, it doesn't feel as responsive as it could. That could also be the cylinder assembly. Another one, if you start to hear some weird noises and the throwout bearing is going out, you're going to hear kind of a grinding noise. When I had that happen on one of my cars, it sounded like a horse crying bloody murder. If you're having to double clutch a lot, that's another indicator. You try to go into a gear, it doesn't let you in. You go clutch back down, go to neutral, double clutch, then you can go into your gear. Those are going to be some